how to wash fruits and vegetables to get rid of all of them pesticides, herbicides, glyphosate and all the other rubbish that is on them, and even things from the supermarkets and transportation. Well, first of all is Himalayan sea salt. So basically you get pink Himalayan sea salt and you obviously boil a kettle or boil some water and you mix it together with the pink Himalayan sea salt and you mix it all up so you break up the granules. Or you could get a Himalayan sea salt powder, then you wouldn't have to do the long process of heating it up. But that is one way. I've got two more ways in here, and obviously you let the sea salt cool down, then you put your fruits and you put your vegetables, and it only has a mild taste. Now the second thing you could do is apple cider vinegar. Now some people don't like using any vinegar to wash the fruits and vegetables because of the aftertaste, but what I can say is vinegar is so powerful in getting rid of a lot of pesticides and herbicides. And not only that, it also can kill bacteria and any food contamination as well. And some people actually use vinegar to preserve food, you know, things that go off quick, to keep them going a bit longer and obviously keep them fresher for longer. You can use apple cider vinegar. Now the third one is organic baking soda. Now this is like the go-to. If you search online, everyone says use organic baking soda. Now the thing is, for me personally, I like to use Himalayan sea salt and apple cider vinegar. Now usually with the lighter, softer fruits or vegetables, I use the Himalayan sea salt. If it's something that's harder and that I'm going to boil, I use the apple cider vinegar. Now most of the time boiling gets rid of it, but if you want to be really serious about it, you can make sure to do this and boil it as well. So yeah, they're the three. Now if you're still watching to this point of the video, let me know in the comments below, what do you use to clean your fruits and vegetables? And I know some people might say warm water. It does remove a bit, but not a lot. Let's say you can and your only option is to use warm water. Make sure to dab it down after and like sort of wash it, or dab it with like some tissue or something to even get more off. But I would highly recommend these ones. Anyway, why not check out this video up here, or if you've got a bit more time, check out this playlist down here. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.